Fifth Third Better. Fifth Third Bank National Association. Member FDIC.
LRS is passionate about providing exceptional service to their customers. Headquartered in Chicago with cutting-edge facilities throughout the Midwest, LRS is one of the largest independent waste companies in the country and a proven industry leader. They'll deliver the equipment to fit the needs for your business or home with the highest level of customer satisfaction. LRS is proud to be an award-winning team. Partner with LRS today and request a quote online at lrsrecycles.com. LRS is the Midwest's go-to waste solutions provider.
Of the emergency alert system. Is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
This storm will be life.